Hey, so you've been opening the fridge more than usual again, huh? It's okay. I mean, I get it, really. There's something oddly comforting about that snack in your hand. The crunch, the warmth, the sweetness. Like it's giving you a hug when the world isn't. You tell yourself, just this one time, I need this today. But somehow, just once keeps showing up every day. And now, it's like food's not just on your plate. It's sitting on your shoulders. Heavy, quiet, sneaking in with guilt after every bite. But here's the thing. I don't think you're just hungry. I think you're craving relief, peace, a moment that feels safe. And food is just doing its best to play that role. Poor thing, it's not even qualified. You probably already know all the logical stuff. What's healthy, what's not, calories, sugar, all of that. That's not the problem. This isn't about knowing. This is about feeling. Feeling like you've run out of other ways to cope. Like the cookies are the only ones listening. But, can I say something? Just as a friend, you're still in there. The part of you that wants better. She's alive. She hasn't given up. Otherwise, you wouldn't be listening to me right now. She's trying. Every time you hesitate before reaching for the bag of chips, that's her. That's your strength speaking. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a pause, a breathe, a tiny space between the craving and the reaching. That's all. Just a little room. And in that pause, you might find something else. Not a salad. Don't worry, I'm not that person. I mean something truer, like music or journaling or just lying down and letting your jaw unclench. Sometimes you don't need food. You need a moment. Look, I'm not saying you'll suddenly stop. I'm not pretending this is easy. But what if the next time it hits, you say, I know why you're here. Not with judgment, but with honesty. You're coping the best way you know how right now. And the fact that you want out, that you want change, that already makes you powerful. Not in a motivational poster way, in a real way. Like, hey, you're still fighting. And if tonight's another night where the spoon finds its way to the jar, okay, tomorrow is another try. You're not giving up. You're just figuring things out. And that's enough for now. Take a breath. You've made it through another day. And I'm proud of you for that. Sleep well tonight, okay? We'll talk again soon.